Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to transfer TRX from your Arculus wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're holding TRX and want to move it to Crypto.com for trading, staking, or just better management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus wallet app installed on your device, some TRX in your wallet, and a verified Crypto.com account with your wallet address ready. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Send or Transfer option, usually represented by an arrow icon. Select TRX from your list of assets to ensure you're transferring the right cryptocurrency. Step 2. Enter the recipient's address. This is where Crypto.com comes in. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet section, and copy the TRX deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Arculus wallet send field. Double check for any typos, as crypto addresses are case sensitive and mistakes can lead to permanent loss. Step 3. Specify the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. TRX uses the Tron network, so fees are typically low, but they can vary. Review the transaction details one last time, then hit Confirm or Send. You'll need to verify this with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric authentication. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account to see when the TRX arrives. And there you have it. That's your TRX safely transferred. A quick tip. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication to protect against scams. If you run into any issues, check the Tron Blockchain Explorer for transaction status. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.